5 Best Cordless Vacuum Under $100 Reviews. Number 1. Aposen Cordless Vacuum. Aposen Vacuum Cleaner cleans any and every type of floor. Marble floor, tile floor, hardwood floor, or a delicate carpet floor. It has a motorized head for that. The head has a suction capacity of 10 kPa. It is going to have a thorough cleaning of your floor. It is great for those who have a dust allergy. It has a 4-stage filtration system for that. That means whatever you are cleaning is going to face 4 stages of filtration. You can vacuum clean your floor for about 35 minutes if you are using 6 kPa power. Using 10 kPa power will let you vacuum for 18 minutes. That is enough to clean a good portion of your home. Depending on your need, you can switch between the 2 kPa modes. Number 2. Sautec Cyclonic Suction Cordless Vacuum. This vacuum cleaner by Sautec can suck out 0.3 micron bacteria and microbes with ease. The tiny particles face a 5th stage filtration, so you can be sure of cleaning 99% of dirt through it. You can breathe in the clean, fresh air. So, it is apt for people who are allergic to dust. You can vacuum clean 3 to 4 rooms at one go. It works for a full 40 minutes. The cleaner is light, so it is going to be great for people who have back pain and knee problems. For versatile use, you get 6 attachments with this vacuum cleaner. You get a square, a floor, a mattress brush too, and a crevice tool. So, you are going to clean every nook and corner using this vacuum cleaner. The 2 extension pipes it comes with gives you an option to extend the handle for a comfy hold. Number 3. Hikeren Cordless Stick Vacuum. We have a stick vacuum for you. If not the best vacuum, it is going to be the best cordless stick vacuum under $100. It has a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery. The battery takes just 3 to a maximum of 4 hours for a full charge. By charging it once, you can use it for 30 to 40 minutes. The 120W motor provides a 12 kPa suction power. It is pretty high. The 180-degree swivel sideways helps you to clean the corners and tough-to-reach spots. Not just that, it goes 90-degree up and down as well. Turn it to a handheld vacuum cleaner for cleaning your sofa as well as windows. Number 4. Musu Cordless and Handheld Vacuum. This one is a handheld vacuum. Though tiny, it can be a great cleaning tool. It has 2 modes of suction. The first one is 7 kPa power, and the second is 12 kPa power. For a small vacuum, such high suction power is too good. The power comes from the advanced brushless motor. For 7 kPa, the vacuum runs for 24 minutes, and for 12 kPa, it lasts for 17 minutes. It has 2 different nozzles. The 2 types increase the options of using it. You can use it to clean the crevices of the bed or sofa as well as the carpet or kitchen counter full of dust. Number 5. Black+Decker Cordless and Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Black+Decker Handheld Cordless Vacuum is a small tool that runs with a lithium-ion battery. Once charged and if not used, it can hold the charge for about 18 months. Even if it is kept aside fully charged and unused for 18 months, the minute you use it after 18 months, it is going to work. The vacuum takes just 4 hours to charge. And for fast charging, you get to use 50% less energy. The vacuum filters the dirt in powerful cyclonic action. So, you are going to get a clean surface as well as a clean filter.